Hi, Bree. What's your breakfast today? No, not me. Not me. You have pork and pechay. It's so yum. And egg. And we will also have the same. And I have decaf coffee. And this is your pork and pechay puree. Kain muna your food before. Not hot na? Okay. It's so yummy.
Pure pork.
Pure pork. Oy, sleepy or hungry?
So sarap.
So yummy. Once you're done with your puree, you can play with solids, with chunks of egg. Okay? Sige, eat muna. So, yum.